What's up guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about taking care of your lawn with the right sprinkler. To this point, we're reviewing one of the top-rated sprinklers, the multi-adjustable Melnor Sprinkler. We'll let you know all about the features and the drawbacks, as well as the alternatives for this sprinkler. So let's get right into it. Gardeners and homeowners from all over agree that this lawn sprinkler is one of the best on the market because it just never fails, and it works very well in watering your flowers and plants, especially in the spring. Whether you've recently planted plants or there are ones that are just growing, this sprinkler will ensure that they are well watered, and you wouldn't have to worry about any of them being affected by the water jets being too powerful. The multi-adjustable design of the sprinklers means that you can control the power of the sprinkler heads. The ease of adjustment is made possible by the 3-spike sprinklers. Since most of the sprinklers have 3 additional 5-inch risers, you get to elevate the sprinklers as needed quickly. The sprinkler head's rotator design also makes it a great option for your lawn, and the adjustable design enhances its performance on the lawn. What we liked. The sprinkler heads have a 360-degree circulation and angle pattern. The spikes are easy to push to the ground and to move around the lawn. They connect to multiple sets of spikes. The sprinkler is ideal for plants and flowers in different growth stages. Angle adjustment ensures easy customization of the watering of the plant. You can use it with or without the sprinkler risers. Adjustable flow rate. What we didn't like. The sprinkler is made of lightweight plastic, meaning it's not as durable. It takes time for the water from the sprinkler to reach the plant's roots and soak the soil. Some of the features that stand out from these sprinklers are as follows. Sprinkler type. This sprinkler by Melnor is one of the types of oscillating sprinklers introduced by Melnor back in 1946, and it remains a preferred choice for most people. And though there have been many types of sprinklers by many other companies, Melnor continues to offer a vast range of reliable sprinklers for your lawn. The sprinklers are durable and they will ensure the healthiest lawn with ease. Connection. This type of sprinkler by Melnor allows you to use it to irrigate the garden or lawn with or without the sprinkler risers. Also, you'll enjoy the unit-to-unit connections with more than 2 of these sprinklers, one on each side. You'd only need to invest in connectors, end caps, and the right hose size to easily connect the sprinklers. This connection option offered by Melnor is made possible by the fact that every one of the sprinklers has a male and female hose attachment end that allows for the connection of 3 sprinklers at a time. You could add hoses and sprinklers to other sprinkler heads, especially if you have a large or complex design for your garden, and maybe you need more sprinkler systems for ease of irrigation. And thanks to this setup, along with the risers, you wouldn't have to move around the sprinkler heads all the time. Adjustable angle. Thanks to the multi-angle adjustable design of the sprinkler, you get to easily customize your angle to ensure that your watering needs are met efficiently. The best part is that you'll be able to adjust the sprinkler to a 5-degree angle for a narrow watering area or a 360-degree angle for the entire circle of watering of the area. Reliable construction, design, and versatility. This sprinkler is made of rust-proof and robust plastic, which will last many seasons, with the proper care. Although this sprinkler system is made of plastic, you'll be happy to know that its overall build features a rather slim, versatile, and easily adjustable system that quickly ensures easy watering of different sections of the lawn. You'll also get to target the angle of watering using the sprinkler to save water, either by adjusting the range or the density of the water. Melnor Multi-Adjustable Lawn Sprinkler alternatives. You could get the Orbit Gear Drive Sprinkler or the Melnor 6-pattern Turbo Rotary Sprinkler as alternatives. Verdict. If you don't wish to break the bank on sprinklers, you should consider getting this Melnor sprinkler. It's easy to use and it gets the job done. Thanks for watching.